Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your ALCATEL 3V, for the first we have to activate and open the Bluetooth settings. So tap on this Bluetooth icon, and when it's activated, click and hold it. Right now we are in the settings, right? And you have to do the same on this second smartphone that you want to connect. So I'm going right here. And here we got my smartphone Huawei P30 Pro in all available devices. So I'm going to click here to pair the device. Accept the pair on the both devices. And right now, as you can see, our smartphone is connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!